Once you've got a few clients under your belt, it's time to stop chasing leads and start attracting them. That's where a lead generation funnel comes in. A great funnel brings the right people into your world, builds trust automatically, and turns visitors into real opportunities without cold pitching all day. In this lesson, I'll show you how to build a simple magnetic lead gen funnel that works even while you sleep. Step 1. Attract attention with valuable content. It starts with creating content your ideal client actually wants. Think about what your niche is struggling with right now. Then, offer a quick win solution, no fluff. Examples: 5 ways to improve your site's conversion rate. Homepage checklist for wellness coaches. How to know if it's time to redesign your website. Turn that into a blog post, a short guide or checklist PDF, a free Loom video walkthrough, a carousel or post on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. End each piece of content with a CTA. Want me to take a look at your site? Click here to book a free strategy call. Step 2. Offer a free lead magnet. This is something helpful and relevant you give in exchange for an email address. Keep it simple. A downloadable checklist, a 5-minute audit video, a template or swipe file, a free homepage wireframe example. Once someone downloads it, they're now a lead, and you can follow up automatically. Step 3. Capture leads with a landing page. You need a clean, focused landing page to collect emails. Tools like ConvertKit, MailerLite, Flowdesk, Squarespace or Webflow forms. Write clear, client-focused copy. Headline: Get my free website fix checklist. In 5 minutes, you'll know exactly how to improve your site's performance. Button: Download the free checklist. Avoid distractions. No menus, no other links, just the offer. Step 4. Nurture with an automated email sequence. Once someone opts in, don't let them go cold. Set up 3 to 5 automated emails that 1. Deliver the lead magnet. 2. Share who you are and what you do. 3. Tell a short client success story. 4. Offer a free call or paid audit. 5. Remind them again with value and a CTA. Use a tool like ConvertKit, MailerLite, or ActiveCampaign to automate it. You're building a relationship while you sleep. Step 5. Turn warm leads into clients. Check your list weekly. Reach out to people who clicked, replied, or showed interest. Invite them to a free consultation or low-cost audit. Use that call to deliver value and lead into a larger offer. Remember, people buy when they trust you. This funnel builds that trust at scale. Your funnel doesn't have to be complicated. Start simple, launch fast, improve later. Even 1 lead a week from this system could change your business. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to run a discovery call that converts those leads into paying clients, confidently, without pressure. Let's turn your presence into predictable growth.